Hi, Chris here. And in 2020, the sky was falling. Companies went bankrupt and millions lost their jobs. But one company made even more money. In fact, they added $600 billion during the pandemic. And that company is Amazon. I'm sure you've heard about it in the news. So it's no secret that the Amazon affiliate program is huge, with over 256 million products that you can earn commissions on. But did you know that Amazon is expecting to make over $440 billion in 2021? That's $1 billion every day. Imagine grabbing just a tiny slice of that 2021 cash pile. Sounds great, right? But there's a problem. How do you actually earn Amazon affiliate commissions in 2021 with 100% free traffic? Well, that's where YouTube comes in. YouTube is the world's second biggest search engine, with over 3 billion searches a month. And many of these searches are for the exact products we can promote on Amazon. The exact products that hundreds of millions of people are searching for today. The exact products they are going to buy, whether it's through your affiliate link or someone else's. We don't need to do any selling. These people are buying these products to the tune of $1 billion today, $1 billion tomorrow, and so on for all of 2021. Now here's the clever part. Using a unique copy and paste plugin I'm about to give you, we can get free YouTube traffic for any of these buyer keywords, which lets us earn affiliate commissions from 250 million Amazon products. And all because of a Primo plugin that wasn't around until 2021. See, Primo means first. And this is the first time ever that average people can plug into these trillion-dollar e-com commissions without doing any content generation or hard work. So, want to see how it's done? Presenting Primo Profits, a new AI-powered done-for-you software for 2021 and beyond. Now here's how it works. Step 1. First, we install the secret Primo plugin. This plugin takes less than a minute to install and only runs on the Google Chrome browser. It's preloaded with hundreds of million-dollar niches. All of these niches have millions of searches and huge affiliate commissions. Now we simply click a button, which I can only talk about in the members area, and then we start copying and pasting. Copy, paste, and that's it. We've done the hard work and are ready for the next step. Step 2. So, how do we go from copying and pasting to getting traffic commissions? Well, the answer is AI. And that brings me to step 2. Here we import the text we just copied and pasted into app number 2, my Video Builder app. This uses AI to spin our pasted text into a complete product review article, with unique text and images all 100% done for you. And it even adds voiceovers using Google AI. How? With Google's new WaveNet text-to-voice technology. This AI-powered tech lets you turn any script into a real-life voiceover. So choose from 5 voices: male, female, American, UK, Australian. Then click Go to build your AI-created campaign file, and then move on to the next step. Step 3. Now our images, script, and voiceover are all done, so it's time to create our video. And we do this with my third software app, the Zen Video Creator software. This is the fastest way to make Amazon product review videos. Simply import the AI campaign file we created a few seconds ago, tweak a few settings, hit go, and click upload your new video to YouTube. And that's all there is to it. With Primo Profits, anyone can go from Amazon niche to professional YouTube video in under a minute. Can you see how easy this all is? Making money with Amazon has never been this simple. So, there you have it. Primo Profits is a fresh new way to combine YouTube and Amazon in 2021. This month you could well be getting free traffic from YouTube for the most profitable Amazon niches and in less time than was ever possible before. No matter the niche we choose or the video we create, we are instantly locked in on the money. As of April 2021, we're finally playing the Amazon affiliate game with the deck stacked firmly in our favor, and doing it with my automated YouTube loophole. So, are you ready to take your Amazon and YouTube profits to the next level? Isn't it time you locked in on some floating commissions from this trillion-dollar bonanza? Okay, great. The first step is to click on the order button. I'll send you an instant access link to software. But you must act now. Sorry, but with a deal this good, there are no second chances. Click on the order button to get started. You'll then be taken to the payment page. Fill out your information on this page and then confirm your payment. You'll get instant access to my software within under a minute. Nothing could be simpler. Now's your chance. You can't wait on this. Do it right away so you can finally make money with Amazon and YouTube. It's your time to take advantage of the biggest e-commerce bonanza of all time. So what are you waiting for? Click the button for instant access. This is your chance to profit from a $4 billion cash wave. And do it right from your browser. Isn't it time you outsourced all the hard work to AI? But this opportunity won't be around forever. Don't let it pass you by. Okay, I think you understand what's at stake here. Click the button now for instant access to my software. You'll get instant access to your Primo Profit software, along with all the training and quick start guide. Do it now. Don't wait on this. Click the button right away. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the inside.